The century-old ceramic industry of India, comprising of ceramic tiles, sanitary ware, crockery items and others, is a contributing factor to India's economic progress. With a positive growth rate of 12% and a promising export return, this industry has received attention from quarters like policymakers and industry associations and enterprises. Clay and quartz, two of the most important components for ceramic products, are extracted from several mines in various parts of the country. The manufacturing process of ceramic products is mostly based on sources of the various clay raw materials transported from different parts of Rajasthan, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and as far as Kerala. The ceramic industry in India hitherto used traditional and obsolete techniques, resulting in high energy consumption and cornering the industry into the labor-intensified sector. This sector has less access to technology on controlled drying, limited facilities for testing raw or finished products, high turnover of unskilled manual labor, neglect of safety measures for the workers, low level of quality control, less awareness about new technologies and process. Initially, all the ceramic small-scale industry units were using coal and light diesel oil for firing the kilns, and this highly energy-intensive energy cost alone accounts for 25 to 30% of the total production costs. The shuttle kiln and the tunnel kiln formed the main heart of the production unit, which consumed very high levels of energy.
UNIDO's initial studies indicated that some of these industry clusters and units really need help on technology side because they are using very obsolete technology and processes.
The United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, with a view to promote the ceramic industry of India in the line of energy efficiency, has come forward to work closely with the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, DIPP, and assist ceramic units and clusters. UNIDO, under the overall guidance and supervision of a National Steering Committee with NCCBM. In the first phase of UNIDO's effort, the ceramic small and medium enterprising units in Khurja in Uttar Pradesh and Morbi and Thangar in Gujarat are focused. The Khurja unit is known for its pottery, and along with it, they also specialize in medical and electrical gadgets. The Morbi unit specializes in tiles and the Thangar unit in sanitary ware along with other items.
We have a program which focuses on energy efficiency and CO2 reduction in small and medium-sized enterprises, and the SME sector is very important for the Indian economy. And what we try is to improve the competitiveness, the productivity and the quality of the companies in these sectors. And ceramics is important. We've looked at Thangar, we've looked at Khurja, and we've looked at the Morbi.
The program started in January 2005 and continued till June 2010, which included a study tour, audits and deployment, fast firing was introduced, manual, workshops, corporate social responsibility and measurement equipment with NCCBM.
Two types of interventions. The first one is on energy efficiency and the second one is on the product quality.
Most ceramics have been using continuous firing tunnel kilns. These vary in size and production capacity. UNIDO's timely intervention is a positive effort at this juncture. The project aim of UNIDO is to devise cost-saving, energy-efficient technologies replicating the conventional ones. To carry on with this promotional project, UNIDO first conducted a detailed diagnostic study of the entire energy consumption scenario and laid down certain guidelines which they also implemented in the selected units. The selected units were 8 units in Khurja, 4 units in Morbi, 3 units in Thangar, improvement options identified, communicated and adopted, and exposure to best practice. The major changes include the introduction of the roller kiln, Earlier, shuttle kiln and tunnel kiln were used, which was every time consuming and also consumed very high levels of energy. It took a long span of 24 hours for one batch of tiles to come out of the kiln. This roller kiln introduced a sleek technique that provided continuous heating to the tiles as they proceed from the mold towards the finish line, and all this within 3 hours only. To make this industry more energy efficient, gas-based roller kilns have been introduced, which has reduced the negative impact of the diesel or coal-based kilns. UNIDO and DIBP have launched a continuous effort to encourage the industry associations and enterprises to introduce the gas-based kilns in their production units.
जो इम्प्लीमेशन हमने 4 फैक्ट्री में किया, उनको देख के पूरा इंडस्ट्री में से 50% लोगों ने उसी का इम्प्लीमेशन करके फ़ायदा उठाया है।
एक्चुअली सबसे पहले हम टनल किल्न यूज़ करते थे, उसके बाद हमने रोलर किल्न यूज़ करना चालू किया। तो रोलर किल्न में यूनिडो की जो हमारा ये एनर्जी सेविंग का बेनिफिट पहले हम नहीं लेते थे, उसमें हमने एनर्जी सेविंग में मेनली जो ब्लोअर्स का रहता है, कंजप्शन रहता है, वो ब्लोअर्स में एसी ड्राइव्स यूज किया। उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, उसका जो भी कंजप्शन था, हीट लॉस हो रहा था, वो हीट लॉस कम हुआ। पहले के कंपैरिजन में काफ़ी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30% बेनिफिट हुआ हमको। दूसरा बेनिफिट जो फोर्टिफायर और किल्न में वेस्टेजेस रहता है, उसका हाई इंसुलेटिंग ब्रिक्स यूज करने की वजह से वेस्टेज, किल्न का वेस्टेज डाउन हुआ, उसमें अप्रोक्सीमेटली 15% हमारा हीट लॉस कम हुआ। तो मेन बेनिफिट हमारा ब्लोअर साइड, फोर्टिफायर साइड और किल्न साइड हुआ।
अकॉर्डिंग टू यूनिडो सजेशन हमने बर्नर भी गैस फायर के बर्नर लगाए, तो उसमें क्या कि ऑयल और गैस का जो रेशियो है वो भी मेंटेन करने के बाद हमको गैस कंजप्शन में भी बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा है। उसमें भी हमको फ़ायदा हुआ है, वो मोर देन 10% है।
यूनिडो ने एक प्रोग्राम रखा था एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी का, उसके कारण से हमने किल्न में काफ़ी सुधार किया। 20 से 25% तो हमारा प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गया, जिससे हमारा वर्किंग कैपिटल बढ़ा।
अल्टीमेटली एनर्जी इज मनी, सो वी सेव द मनी।
CGCRI provides scientific industrial research and development for the ceramic sector.
Suppose people here earlier used to fire their products in the kilns for 120 hours, then it was improved and firing was taken to oil firing, then it came to 30 hours, then tunnel kilns, all that kilns modification which UNIDO created awareness in this sector, then it came to almost 20 hours, and then UNIDO funded a project to our CGCRI, and we had a roller kiln, gas fired roller kiln. In that we came and developed the technology for 4 hours firing.
The small and medium enterprising units which implemented the innovative reforms of the UNIDO have benefited from them. Their energy efficient technologies have helped in incurring profit, thus enabling them to concentrate on quality.
ये जो हमारा प्रिकॉशंस हम नहीं लेते थे, उसकी वजह से हमारा प्रोडक्शन में ब्रेकेज का, लॉसेस का, सेकंड ग्रेड क्वालिटी, ये परसेंटेज बहुत ज़्यादा था। अप्रोक्सीमेटली 4 to 5% का हमारा ब्रेकेज था। अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30 to 40% हम थर्ड ग्रेड मटेरियल निकालते थे। उसमें ये सब इम्प्रूवमेंट की वजह से काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ। अभी जो ग्रेडेशन है, वो हमारा जो पहले फर्स्ट ग्रेड का मटेरियल 70% आता था, वो हमारा इम्प्रूवमेंट होकर 90% तक गया, और जो ब्रेकेजेस और जो लॉस था हमारा 5% के आसपास था, वो कम होकर लेस देन 1% ऑलरेडी वी आर गेटिंग नाउ।
Overall, we demonstrated that savings in the order of 20% are technically feasible.
The outputs are 15 audits, recommendations implemented, reduced excess air, waste heat recovery, proper drying greenwares, fast firing, quality improvement, product quality gradation, avoidance reduction firing, and variable frequency drives. Measurement and testing equipment with NCCBM, manual on quality, study tour, introduced lean manufacturing, developed a website, corporate social responsibility materials by Terry, video materials, closer involvement BEE and second phase project establishment.
The main outcome is energy reduction up to 30%, and has as a secondary output is the less emissions and an environmental friendly approach. The ceramic industry is a huge sector with, of course, big future, and it should take into consideration that all the further applications, they have to take more, to focus more on environmental issues during the production process. This is the main issue, because the products are good, the market is already here and it is expanding. What the factories, the investors need to do more is to take care of environmental issues and human resources.
With the successful completion of the first phase of the project, UNIDO is very hopeful that the cost-saving and energy-efficient techniques would go a long way in producing good quality ceramic ware and also help in finding a ready market. With this successful launch as a predecessor, the second phase of the project would commence in the coming days.